Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as part of our Python programming language series, we are going to learn a new program. In this program, we are given with a number. We are given with a number. See, we need to write a Python program which takes a number as input. Means we are basically given with a number and we need to print whether it is even or odd. Okay, even or odd. So, first, whenever you got some question, try to answer these questions. What is the input? Input is a number, correct? What is the output? What is the output? Even or or odd. Means we have two cases basically, either this or this. See, from the question only we must be, by reading the question only we must understand. See, either even or odd. As I told, either or, neither nor, this or that, like this. Whenever we have only one special condition, then we should use if. Now here we have two special conditions, this or that. In this case, what we should use? If else. If else means, if you take a number x, if you take a number x, think any number in x, it will be either even or odd, correct? Is there any chance in between the, if you, is there any number which is not belonging to even or odd? No, right? Either this or that. Like these only two cases possible. See, whenever we are dealing with the two cases, as I told, we should use if else, correct? But before going to that, what is the logic for finding a number, even number? Okay, even number or odd number, what is the logic? What is meant by even number? A number which is divisible by 2, which is divisible by 2 is known as even number, correct? If it is not divisible by 2 means it is odd, correct? If it is divisible, even. If it is not divisible, odd. That's all. We have only two options. Now how can you tell whether it is divisible or not? For example, if you take this, now let's go back to our childhood. Whenever you got some number, you will write like this: 2 threes are 6, you will get 1 here. 1 here, remainder not 0 means it is not divisible. For example, 2 fours are 8, 0, yeah, perfectly divisible. If it is perfectly divisible, then it is even. Now, if it is not divisible, then it is known as odd number, correct? If it is divisible, even. If it is not divisible, then it is odd. How to get this remainder? This is known as reminder. This is known as reminder. How to get this reminder? In computer science, in by learning Python language, we have covered one video, operators. We have different operators, correct? Which operator will provide you this reminder? The operator is nothing but modulus operator, which looks like a percentage symbol. This operator will provide the this operator will provide the reminder value. We no need to do this division. Just we use this operator. Okay. Now, how to write this code? Okay. How to write this? Now observe. First we will get one integer as input. So that first I am taking input. A is equals to, I am typecasting it to integer. So I am taking A is equals to input. Now if if a value, what is the a value they have given? Some 5 6, any value. If a mod 2, whenever I divide with 2, if I get remainder equal to 0, correct? If I get remainder equal to 0, then what I should print? Print even number. Okay, even number. If it is not even, else, directly else, directly else. If part completed, special treatment, one treatment completed. If part completed, see this gap I gave, my if part completed, again I started writing from here. If part completed, next else part. Else what is the number is? Else the number is odd, right? Odd number. That's all. Very simple. Let us execute, or let us see once. For example, if the program is running, first line, what I will get, I will ask the user to enter a number. For example, if I give 5, okay, 5, what in the next line they will do? It will divide by 2, 2. It will do 2 twos are 4. It will give reminder. This a mod 2, this a mod 2 will return, this a mod 2 will return 1, correct? This a mod 2 will return 1. 1 equal to 0, false. 1 equal to 0 false, then directly it will come to else condition. It will print it is an odd number. It will print it is an odd number. Now how it will do in case of 6? Okay, 6. Okay, now 2 threes are 6, the remainder is 0, correct? 2 threes are 6, the remainder is 0. Now what they will do, they will do nothing but here they will come 6 mod 2 equal to 0. They also got 0, here also 0, both are equal. Both are equal, then condition is true. Then condition is true. What it will print? What it will print? Even number. Like this it will work. Like this it will work. Now let's write the code. Now let's see, these are the lines which we have written. We will just write the code and we will verify how they are and how it will act. Okay, I am using online GDB compiler, you people can see. First I am reading one input, so that a is equals to int of input of. In that I am asking enter a number. Okay, enter a number. Now if a mod 2 equal to 0, if it is divisible by 2, then what I should print? Print print even number. If not, see my indentation, see my writing, how I am writing code. Whatever belongs to if, I gave one space bar also. Tab space I gave. See this. Tab space I gave and I started the print statements. Correct. I gave the space and I started. Similarly, for the else also, you see I gave the space because this code belongs to the else block. So I am giving number odd number. Okay, this is the case. Just I am running. Now they are asking to enter a number. I am entering the number 10. 10 is even or not? 10 is even, right? So that it will print 10 is an even number. Now again I will enter 5. Okay, 5. In this case what it should print? It's an odd number. That's all. When to use if else? If we have only two special cases, either this or that, either this or that. In this case only we should use if else condition. Okay, I hope I cleared all your doubts and I was able to explain this question. And if you like the question, please give me one comment. Next question will be a little bit day by day, problem by problem. We will slowly increase the hardness and we will go by problem by problem. Okay, fine guys, meet you in the next video. If you like, please give me one like, subscribe and comment. Okay, I will feel very happy. Okay, this is the small thing which you can do from your end. Or else please share this video with your friends if you like it, and ask them to follow. From starting video onwards, you people also follow. I am providing as part of my knowledge. I'm giving a good knowledge. If you can understand, please understand and share to good people, if to the people who it is useful. Okay, bye guys, meet you in the next video.